Hi Rossi babes, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will show you all the tips and tricks on the last step in the GLAM powder manicure process, top coat application. In this video, we will be applying a shade So Glamorous, which is a metallic dark gunmetal color with sparkly silver flakes. We will follow a basic application method by applying a thin layer of Rossi base coat and dipping the finger into the powder container. After dipping all fingers, we are going to brush away an excess powder and repeat the dipping process to create strength and deepen the opacity of the color. When applying the activator, it is super important to wait a few minutes for the blend of dipping powder and liquid to harden. Lightly tap on your nail to test if they are ready for the next step. Next comes filing, and we recommend you to use a 100/180 nail file to achieve the preferred thickness and shape of the nail. Go over the entire surface to even out any imperfections. If you want to apply a gel top coat, don't buff the surface of the nail or it might peel after time. Leave the surface a little rough and remove any filing dust using a lint-free wipe. Next, apply an even layer of gel top coat and cure for 60 seconds in the Rossi LED nail lamp. Dullness can be caused by applying cuticle oil before the top coat has properly cooled after curing, so remember to let your nails cool down for a moment. If you prefer to use a dipping base coat, switch to the nail buffer to finish off smoothing the surface. Additionally, you can use a 1000/4000 nail buffer. The more nail surface area is buffed, the smoother and shinier nails will appear after applying the top coat. It's very tempting to touch the surface of the nail plate with your finger after filing. Oil residue on the nail can make the top coat have a dull, matte finish instead of a beautiful high gloss. Remember to wipe your nails with alcohol to cleanse them properly. The first coat of Rossi top coat should be thin and applied only in a few strokes. Wipe the brush onto a wipe prior to putting it back in the bottle. Apply the second and final layer of Rossi top coat. This layer can be slightly thicker. Make sure you are covering all areas of your nail surface and capping the free edge of your nail. Allow it to dry for at least 2 minutes. If you accidentally smudged your nail, don't worry, you don't need to start over. Simply buff the unevenness, clean any debris, and reapply the top coat as normal. If only a small part of the nail is not shiny enough, you can try to use the white side of a 1000/4000 buffer for an easy fix. Remember to always let the top coat fully dry before applying cuticle oil. Matte nails can be awesome, but most of the time we love our nails super shiny. We hope these tips and tricks will help you to achieve perfect results at home as well. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for weekly tutorials. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section.